Yeah, you guys are welcome. Okay. We will continue with our POP ceiling and the light, So you design another type. So now you design another type of design of the POP in the other sitting room. So let's get started. Mm. You go to your ground floor too. So in this kitchen, you just put a normal POP ceiling that doesn't have much design. But let's sort of us get this. Let's get this. Let's get this one first. So let's get started, okay? You're on the ground floor. Mm, you go to architecture. You draw your line first. You design your ceiling the way you want it. You can design star, design whatever you want, whatever be the case. Okay. So you go to modern line. For this case, I will want to use cycle. So I click to cycle. Come to this place. Put down my cycle. I got in this. Then I click here again. Bring another cycle. This should be the lights. I want it to be the lights. I get this too. So then go to components, model in place, ceiling. You go to ceiling 6, accept ceiling 6 as the name. Extrusion, repeat cycle. Circle. Exactly that one. You pick another circle. Exactly this one. Exactly this one. Then you design it as extrusion start with 3,000 something. Let's put 3,000. 3,000. 3,300. 300. Let's make it 3,300. Let's stop it. Let's make it 3,300. 3,150. 3,150. 3,150. 150. 3,150. Then extrusion end 3,000. 3,300. Then you change your material to ceiling. To ceiling, blue light, ceiling. Now, let's duplicate this. Duplicate it. Let's use white light or whatever light it is this time around. I don't want it to carry the same blue light with this. white lines. When you change it, you see miscellaneous, you go to receive, then you check it out. Let's use this white. So okay, you finish. Then you go to your 3D, see what you have done. If these are white lights, you have gotten this one. Let's go back to it. Flip it. Sending lights. Go back to this. Go back to appearance. Okay, you are accepting this like that, the way it is. You are accepting it the way it is. We have accepted it the way it is. So we go back to our ground floor. Go back to architecture. Go back to component. Go back to modern in place. Go to our ceiling 7. We accept the name ceiling 7. Go to extrusion. Go to circle again. This time around, we are drawing circle to cover up the lights. So click extrusion and Extrusion start 300. 300 and 3450. Then you finish. You finish it. Then you go to your 3D. See what you got. Yeah, it is on top of the light. Then you edit it, you change the material, make sure the material is not light. You see the material is light, so you change it to ceiling, the normal ceiling. Ceiling, the normal ceiling material. You say okay, you finish. So you have changed it to ceiling. Normal ceiling. You have covered this ceiling. Then you go back to your ground floor again. You finish. Go to architecture. Go to model in place. You go to ceiling. So okay, ceiling number 1. Chair. I think 10 is okay. Ceiling number 10. So okay. You go to extrusion. Go to circle. Let's see how we get this circle in this dining. You say okay. You click again. You say okay. Then extrusion start should be 150. 150. 50 and 300. 300. 300. And you go here. 300. Ceiling lights. It's okay. The material for ceiling light is okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You save. You may not be seeing what you did, but let's go back to our 3D and see if we have it there. Okay, the light is here. the ceiling lights for this one is here. So let's leave it this way. And you go back to your ground floor. You see why it would be good if we use this line, so we know we will know where we will place our circle. But anyway, let's just go on. So you go to architecture, components, model in place, ceiling, okay, ceiling 11, so okay, extrusion, you go to circle, so it does draw a big circle. Don't mind it if it will cover everything. It's very necessary we use line. You go here, extrusion start, you put it 300. Extrusion end, you put it 450. Or 50. So okay, you finish. Then you go to your 3D and see what you have done. You see, you covered it anyway, but you did not get it at the door. But the most important is the ceiling has been covered. Then we go to our ceiling. We go to our ceiling. Ceiling, you go to ground floor and see what you have done. Look at it. So with this, you can shoot it and correct the mistakes. You can see what I've done. And with this, you go to architecture, components, model in place, ceiling. You say okay. Ceiling 12. You say okay. Extrusion. You now have to draw with your line. After drawing with your line, you can now use your circle to draw with your line. What is it?
I prefer me small fresh.
You go here, you click, you get this, you have gotten your ceiling to cover it. Then you go to your circle, use your circle, just open it. use your road key to also improve it. Yeah, at least you have gotten this. Then you use your circle again, go to this one, do same thing you did. Why I'm bringing it very close to the light is that when you render, it will not be difficult to see the lights. Yeah, so you bring it a little bit close. Bring it a little bit close. Take it. Okay, let's leave it this way. Let's leave it this way. It said, okay. You say, okay. Before you finish it, you go here. Extrusion. Start. You make it 300 at the dots. Then you make it 150. 150. 150. Then you make it to be ceiling. Ceiling. You say, okay. You finish your model. You go back to your 3D and see what you have done. As you can see, you have gotten your ceiling with your circle. You have gotten your POP ceiling. When you render this, you will see what you have done. You see you did the perfect work. Okay, so this is how to get it. This is how to get your POP. Now, I think we should hide this kitchen. Okay, the kitchen is also free for us to put our ceiling. The kitchen and the toilet is also free for us to put our ceiling. Why we are putting ceiling here is because we want to fix our light to be easy. Sometimes in a house like this, some people may decide not to put ceiling in the kitchen, just paint the deck, plaster and paint the deck. Because it is kitchen anyway, you don't really need design, and sometimes for safety you make it higher. But in this case, let's still put that light there and also other things, Let's put our ceiling. So you go to ground floor. You go to ground floor to ceiling. Ceiling. So let's put our normal ceiling here. You can put our normal ceiling here. Put it, cover everything that is here, just normal. So let's put our normal ceiling right now. So we go to You go to architecture, you go to component, model in place, ceiling, ceiling, ceiling 50. So okay. Go to extension. You use line, you draw your ceiling. Yeah, so draw everything at once. Instead of wasting time drawing them one by one, you draw everything at once. Which, if you wanted to draw it, you would have done that through and start editing, opening. So you have gotten this. You correct this from 300, 150, 150. Correct to ceiling, ceiling. So okay. So you have gotten your ceiling, you finish. You go to 3D and see what you have done to. So we have gotten this ceiling too. Go to our toilets. So now you have to bring back the element we hide. We have to bring it back or hide, or hide, or hide elements, or hide elements. Or hide elements. Or hide elements. Or hide elements. Whatever that show red, you know it is CD. So you are done with. So this is it. Later we will find a way to put our lights, fan, and others. So we are also going to put ceiling on our first floor. So I'm giving you that assignment. You should put ceiling on your first floor. When you put ceiling on your first floor, after the ceiling, I think we will place our lights. After placing lights, we will now roof. After roofing, we adjust the walls and do some other designs. And if possible, we change some paints. We see how we can add some paints and do some other things. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you understood everything we did today. So I'm expecting to see your drawing and a better design than mine. I'm just using this simple design so it will be easy and fast for us to understand everything.